Hi everyone, another lessons about particles. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline. Go to Fusion. Add nodes P-image emitter and P-render. Connect them to media out. Add text node. Enter the text. Choose font and size. Return to P-image emitter, right-click the X density parameter and select expression. Link it to Y density. Set value to 0.2. Go to the Style tab. Set value to bitmap. Add background node. Set color to white. Connect triangular mask to it. Adjust the particle size. And connect everything to P-image emitter. Into the Color tab, set the particle parameters velocity, velocity variance and angel Z. Go to the Rotation section, disable Always Face Camera and set the particle rotation values. Also set Rotation into the Spin section. Add P-turbulence node, adjust the particle spread along the axis as desired. Disconnect P-render from media out, change output mode to 3D. Add Merge 3D and Render 3D. Connect everything to media out. Split viewer and output it to the second Merge 3D. Add Camera 3D, move it back so that frame 0 the entire text is visible. Copy text node and connect it to Render 3D. Align text in the size and position. Go to the Shading tab, add keyframe to opacity parameter. On the next frame, set the value to 0. Go to Merge, add keyframe to Blend parameter. Return frame 0 and set the value to 0. Done. To learn even more about capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.